Good morning everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I am your maths tutor Shruthi. I hope everyone remember our Vista's vision. That is, we are not only focusing on right to education, it is right to quality education, and our services are V-Learning, VSMS. V-Learning? Well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts. VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. And I hope everyone remember a math motto, that is, always keep on learning. No matter what, it is not only from the books you learn from everywhere. Now, I hope you remember our website. It is www.vlearning.in, and at the same time we'll be going live both in our website and as well as in our YouTube channel. And the messages which you chat in the website is all encrypted. That is, only I'll be knowing your messages. Now, let us come to our session. What have we dealt in the previous sessions? In the previous session, we have dealt n number of chapters, right? Yes. Now, we'll be doing the revision part of that. So, now we got a n number of requests. So, regarding the MCQ problem or to do revision part, we got n number of requests over there. So, that is why we have started this revision sessions over now. That is why we have started the revision sessions now. Now, what are the first chapters? So, in the first chapter it was 5-digit number, and the second chapter is addition over there. So, now in this session we will be seeing what exactly have we learnt in the chapter 1 and 2. Next, in the next session, we will be solving MCQ problem based on this session. So, this session is very important. So, please pay attention for this session because we will be covering almost the entire 2 chapters in the one single session itself. So, when you just look back the previous classes or previous sessions over there were n number of sessions in each chapter, right? Now, it has become very easy. So, entire 2 chapters you will be seeing in just one session over there. Now, what is 5-digit numbers? We'll just have a look now. Now, the very first chapter was 5-digit number, right? In the 5-digit number, what all we have learned? We have learned place values, we have learned covering word from figure, and again figure from word, and next comparing. So, it might be lesser than, greater than symbol and equal to symbol also. Next, ascending, descending order, and expanded form. So, this is one of the very important topic. And next, inserting commas. So, all these concepts are the basic concepts for your next grade. So, these concepts are very important. Now, let us look up for the first concept. What is it? Place value. So, in the lower grades, we have learned n number of place values. Is it so? No, it was only just 4-digit place values. So, what is the place value you have learned? You have learned units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and now we will be learning one extra place value. So, that is 10,000 place. So, now how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that is nothing but 5 digits over there. Now, units place is also called as, it is also called as ones place. So, this you have to remember. So, units place is also called as ones place. This you might get in the fill up the blanks or 1-mark question over there. Now, how do I read that? That is very important. So, before that, let me take any of the examples. So, it might be 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. Now, any of the examples if I want to take, I can take anything. It might be 0 also. What if it is in the starting 0? If starting is there 0, then this will become 4 place value. So, make sure when you are taking 5 digits, starting one number you should never take 0 over there. So, I hope you remember the place value. It is units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So, now the next concept, that is words to figure, figures to word. Now, let me take this example itself. How do you convert this to or word, or what is this called as? So, this exactly is called as the numbers. What you represent, it is called as figure over there. If I want to convert this to word format, how do I read it? You have to read it according to the place values being given. So, now this exactly is one different place value. So, that is nothing but 32,000. And what is the next place value? It is 600. So, 654. So, 32,654. I am going fast because this is all the revision part which we have learned deeply, right? And we have solved n number of exercise problems also. So 54. I hope you are clear with this. Let me take one example. So 10, 0, 0, 0. Now how do I write this one? So it is units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So this is read as direct. It is 10,000. Why? Because in the next place values everything is 0 over there. So now this heading it might be convert figures to words over there. If the reverse process or the vice versa process, it might be 32,654. Then the question might be convert that to figures. So you have to make sure you write in this format. I hope you are clear with two concepts, place value and next word to figure or figure to word. Now let us look up for the third concept. Now the third concept, that is comparing. So less than, greater than, equal to. So what are the numbers? So it might be 4-digit number, it might be 5-digit number also. So before comparing anything, first what you have to say is start from the beginning. So that is compare the first number and the first number of this. So here it is blank over there. So now 3 and 4, which is greater? Obviously 4 is greater. So here this is called as bigger mouth. So now if this portion is called as bigger mouth, this is smaller mouth over there. Here comes the smaller numbers. So now many students will get confused between the less than symbol and greater than symbol. Less than symbol, it looks somewhat as L shape. So now greater than symbol, just the reverse process. So now how about this example? So here bigger mouth is there for 4 over there. So if the starting part is fixed, then no need to check for the next place value also. So here what is the symbol? The bigger mouth is towards the 4, 5, 6, 7 and the smaller is 3, 5, 6, 7. How about this one? So 7, 3, 8, 4. Here also 7, 3, 8, 4. Well, that is equal, right? Yes. It is equal to symbol. How about the fourth concept? Ascending and descending order. So all these concepts are very, very important. What is ascending and descending order? We had said some of the examples also. A. So A, how do you write? If you write from the bottom, so that is nothing but smaller to bigger. D, how do you write? So D, from the top to bottom. So that is greater to smaller. Now the first question, here you have to arrange this by ascending order, and the second question, here you have to arrange this by descending order. So now ascending order, smaller to bigger. First check the starting numbers 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes, all the numbers are same. Then go check for the second number. So now 4, 4, 5, 5. Again somewhat equal, but what are the smaller number? It is 4 and 4. Now between these two, check the smaller number. Why? Because it is ascending order, smaller to bigger. Now 5 and 6, which is smaller? Obviously 2, 4, 5, 6 is smaller. So this number comes first and this number comes second. How about the next one? So yes, 2, 5, 2, 5. Both are same, but next place value 4 and 6. So which is smaller? Obviously 4 is smaller. So this becomes 3 and what is left out? This becomes 4th. So while writing in the unit test or the exam, you have to make sure you write in the order wise. So how about descending order? 4, 8, 9, 2. Next 4, 8, 9, 2. Yes, both are same, but here 8 is there, here 9 is there. Just check the first numbers. First numbers all are 4. Now check the second number 8, 9, 0, 7. So which is the smaller number? Obviously 4082 is smaller. This will be coming first. Next, which is the smaller number? Yes, this is 4792. Well, I am doing for ascending order, right? Yes, so this number comes for the last place value. I hope you are clear with this. So now 1 becomes 4 over there. So now this becomes 4. So how about the next one? What you have to see? Here you have to see the descending order, greater to smaller. So greater. Among this one, which is the greater? It is 4, 9. So 9 is greater. This comes first over there. How about the next one? The next least one. So 8 and 7. Yes, this number, this is 2 and this is 3 over there. So whenever you are writing, make sure you see the heading and then write correctly over there. So now the two concepts has been cleared. So which are those? Comparing and writing in ascending descending order. So now let us look for the last two concepts. Now the last two concepts, that is expanded form and inserting commas. So before that, what all we have learned? We have learned place value, we have learned word to figure or figure to word. Next, comparing less than, greater than symbol and equal to symbol also. Next, ascending and descending order. Now expanded form. So now here is the question. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before expanding, make sure you know the place value. So it is units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and here it is 10,000. So you have to expand according to the place value being given. So what is the first number? So it is 4 into. So 4 into, how many zeros I have to put? So before that, make sure you write 1. So next, you have to write what is the place value left out. So now leave 4. What are the numbers? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you write the same zeros over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus this number is, that is this symbol is very important. Many students will do this mistake. While correcting papers, we get this. So they will write plus over here and into over here. No. So you have to write this separate and plus towards the right side. Next, what is the next number? It is 5 into 1. How many zeros have to write? Leave 5. How many zeros or how many digits is left out? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now close, again plus. So what is the next number? It is 6 into. What is the number left out? 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 plus. Next, what is the next number? 7 into. What is the number left out? That is only one digit. 7 into 10 plus. So what is the next number? It is 8 into. What is in the units place? There is nothing. There are no digits over there after that. So make sure you just write 1 and close the bracket. So this is what the expanded form. So now if you want, you can do the addition part also. You will be getting the same thing. But this step is very important. But when you get in the exam time, make sure you write the complete step also. That is 4 into 10,000, 40,000 plus 5 into 1,000, 5,000 plus 6 into 100. So that is 600 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus 8 over there. So I hope you are clear with this. So now this part is an homework part for you. You can also comment in the comment section over there. How about this one? So 10,001. I hope you know how to read it, right? So units place, tens place, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So make sure you read according to the place values, but here zeros are there. You can't read that, right? So directly 10,001. So now how do you expand this one? 1 into 1. How many place value? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now close it plus. So now all the things are 0 over there. If you want, you can write it or you can neglect it also, not a problem. So now if I want, I can write it. So 0 into 1, how many place values? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 plus. Again 0 into how many place values? 1, 2 plus. Next, how many zeros over? 1 and 2. Next 0 into 10 plus 1 into, next 1 into 1 itself. Why? Because there are no place value after 1. Now the next step is an homework part for you. How about this example for the inserting commas? How do you insert commas? So all this while we had inserted, but this is just the recollection part. So now you know regarding the 4-digit place value in your lower grades. How about the 5-digit place value? Well, it is the same. No need to insert after the third place value. So here what you will be doing? Here you have to insert after the third place, that is units, tens, hundreds, thousand. So between hundreds and thousand you have to insert commas. You can ask a question, why ma'am after 10,000 you are not, that is after 1,000 you are not inserting? Well, that is entirely different. 1,000 and 10,000 comes in one entire group. How hundreds, tens, units comes in one group? The same way 1000, 10,000 comes in one different group. Now, how about this example? 98988. So, what is the third place value? It is hundreds place. Insert the commas over here. How about this example? 23568. So, here it is after the hundreds place value. So, I hope you are clear with these two concepts also. So, now you are fine with, that is the revision part of 5-digit number is being done. Now, let us move to the next chapter, that is addition. Now, the next chapter is addition. So, till now we have seen and we have covered all the concepts of 5-digit number. Now, we will be doing the revision part of addition. So, here we will be extracting the 5-digit number concepts. What is that? It is the place value concept. So, what are the place values we have learned? It is units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 over there. Now, in this chapter, there are main two important things. One is just add the following and next find the sum. If you are clear with these two types of main, you can solve n number of verbal problem also. So, now let us do the revision part of add the following for the 4-digit number. Here you can find 4-digit number and also 3-digit number. So, what is add the following? As soon as you get, if you are getting the question in the horizontal format, make sure you write vertically. And one main thing you have to remember, you start from the units place. See, in the second question, if you just have a look, it is 564. So, many students, what they'll do, the mistake is, they'll start writing from the first. So, it becomes 5, 6, 4 and then this place value, since it is empty over there, it becomes 0. So, this becomes 5640. So, this is the mistake they do. So, make sure you always write from the units place. So, now here is the question. The first question is 4368 plus 2521. How do I add up? It is go according to the units place. That is units, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now, 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? It is 9. And next 6 plus 2. After 6, how many place values or how many digits? 7, 8. So, it is 8 and next 3 plus 5. It is again 8. Next 4 plus 2, it is 6. So, your answer is 6889. I hope you are clear with this. Now, for the second question, here there are 3 columns, that is 3 rows over there. So, 1, 3, 4, 5 is 1 and next 2, 4, 6, 3 is 1, 5, 6, 4 is 1. So, what is entirely different? No, nothing is different over there. It is the same process, same procedure, but you have to add one number extra. Now, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4 will give me 12. So, here what is the carryover? It is 1. Now, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 1, it is 17. So, here again plus 1 is the carryover. Now, 1, 3, this becomes 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, here it is 3 and again plus 1 is the carryover. So, now 1, 2, it becomes 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So, here 4372 is the right answer for the second sub question. How about this main? Find the sum. So, here you have to remember 2 important words for the addition chapter. You might get sum or total, or you might get the normal thing, that is add the following. So, whenever the question is given on sum, you have to add the thing. And in the verbal problem, what we have seen in the previous sessions, if you don't know, please go back to the previous session. Hold on, but not now, okay? Now, find the sum. What is sum? It is addition. Since it is in the horizontal, you have to write in the vertical thing. So, it is 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So, here before writing the second number, you write up from the units place. Why? Because it might be 5 digit or it might be 4 digit. No matter, here it is 5 digit, but for the safer side, let us start writing from the units place. So, now it is 1, 3, 1 and 4 and 3. So, I have to add the following. So, 7 plus 1, it is 8, 6 plus 3, it is 9, 5 plus 1, it is 6, 3 plus 4, it is 7 and 2 plus 3, this gives me 5. So your answer is 57,698. So I hope you are clear with this 2 chapter concepts. So in the previous chapter we have discussed n number of concepts. All those concepts are very basic and it has been carried forwarded up to your 10th standard also. So please pay attention for all the sessions which we have come across for these 2 chapters over there. I hope the session was very interesting, right? If so, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. But what is in the next class? In the next class, we'll be seeing the MCQ problem. That is, we'll be just playing with the 4 options over there. Isn't it interesting? Yes, because many students love playing with the MCQ because 4 answers will be given. You have to just choose one among them. Now, if the session was very interesting, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. You can catch us in our Facebook page and as well as on Instagram page. For that, you have to click the description below over there. And don't forget to press the bell icon over there to get our live schedule updates. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class with more MCQ problems. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.